Hi guys, sumanatag unboxing open sa. So ito na yung laman. Oh, diba ang dami. Ayan, so this is Bath and Body Works lotion available. This one is cherry, Japanese cherry. This is humot kini siya guys. And reserve na ni siya. So depende kung pila yung kwaon. And this one is vanilla romance lotion, peach coconut. And we have vanilla, and yes, and we have this amber and champagne, amber, humot kayo siya. So available na siya guys. 1,000 wishes if you must. Oh, diba? So Pure Wonder and vanilla. You are the one. You are the one. And another one, vanilla. Humot siya ang vanilla worm. Vanilla, basta vanilla kay. Humot siya. Forever Red. And another if you must. So available niya siya guys, and PME humot sa kaning Bath and Body Works. I mean humot, di ka magmahay ani guys, o barato ra siya. Okay, so kung magpa-reserve mo mas maayo kay ang ma-reserve mas mauna ma-ship, because depende kung murag din ako ni-ship tanan or depende kay akong system na maligi asad. Ayan guys, so naasad tayo coconut. So reserve na mo guys, and I have also uploaded picture. Thank you for watching.